going on, guys? Surgeon's Tech Tips. I'm going to be showing you how to disable the startup applications in Windows 10. This may or may not make your boot up time quicker. I'm not really sure. It depends on if you have a hard drive which has a spinning disk or a solid state which has flash memory. Now, if you have a solid state, you really don't need to disable anything because the boot up time is going to be quicker. But I mean, you know, the hell with it. It might actually make it a little bit faster. So what you want to do is you actually want to click on the taskbar, but you're actually going to right click, go to Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens up, and if you have a fresh install of Windows, you're not actually going to have, you're going to have this window. But if you have actually been into the Task Manager, you're actually going to have this window, lets you have a different tab opened up. So go ahead and click on the Startup tab. Now right here, you can actually disable the ones you don't like. So say I don't want Microsoft OneDrive. Go ahead and disable. So this is a fresh install of Windows. I don't actually have very many. So when you do this, just make sure you have only like Microsoft OneDrive. You could have Discord disabled and stuff like that. Do not disable your control center, your software control center. In this case, I have an AMD Catalyst Center, or your, like, you know, Cinepatics touchpad driver. You don't want to disable those because the touchpad or the, you know, your graphics may or may not load properly. So that is actually how you do it. I know it's not like the biggest thing to do, but it's just a quick thing to show you. And if you try to get it to the startup applications in the older control panel, it will tell you actually to go here. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you thought about this video. If you'd like me to do these kind of short tips and tricks, let me know. Like to it if you liked it. Dislike if that it sucked. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. Thank you guys for all the support. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.